Were located along a line extending from Glen Ellern to Bolingbroke to Romeoville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Oak Brook, Hinsdale, North Riverside, Hickory Hills, Bellwood, Willow Springs, Summit, LaGrange Park, Countryside, and Brookfield around 2:50 p.m. Elmwood Park, Alfred, River Grove, Cicero, Midway Airport, Oak Park, River Forest, Forest Park, Worth, and Oak Lawn around 2:55 p.m. Crestwood, Marionette Park, Evergreen Park, Logan Square, Portage Park, Albany Park, Irving Park, Humboldt Park, West Town, and East Garfield Park around 3 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special Marine